Hello and welcome to my channel. It took me almost 3 months to finish this very simple job. Why? Well, don't go anywhere. I will explain it in a second. So, hello. It is February 2025. It is very cold. As you can see, I have my heater on, so I'm warm and cozy. But that's not what I will talk about today. We're gonna talk about my fender extender or mudguard extension, or whatever you want to call it. If you watch my channel, then you probably know that some time ago I installed fender extender, mudguard extension from PUIG, and I was using it for, I guess, about 2 years. And after that time, I noticed that the extension is broken. My PUIG fender extender is absolutely broken. And this side is broken as well. So I'm gonna change that today. To be honest with you, when I bought the PUIG extension, I wasn't very happy about the quality of this product. The plastic was not the best quality, it was quite thin, it doesn't fit perfectly the fender, and it cost €30. So I was not really happy camper, but I installed it anyway. After 2 years of riding, that thing went broke. This is how it looks today. It is completely broken. And I removed that 3 months ago. Because I was planning to change this in a few hours and be done with the problem. But that's not what happened. Because I wasn't happy with the quality of PUIG extension, I decided that I'm gonna buy something cheaper. So of course I went to AliExpress to look for a Chinese knockoff. I found one, I ordered, and 2 weeks later it came in. And I was really surprised. This plastic is really thick. The quality is very good. So I was very happy with that. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit my fender. Because I made a mistake and I ordered extension for the 2nd generation of Versys. And the difference is, as you can probably see, this part. In the old Versys 2nd generation, this part is wider. In the 3rd generation, it's a bit narrow. So of course, it doesn't fit the fender. But I thought, that's okay, it's not a big deal. I made an honest mistake. I'm just gonna order it, the right one. And that's exactly what I did. I paid another €15 for extender for 3rd generation Versys. 2 weeks later, I received this. I have no idea for which bike it is, but certainly not for Versys. Quality is reasonable, but it's just not for this motorcycle. So I was really unhappy and I decided that I'm done with AliExpress, with the Chinese knockoffs. And there was only one option left, pyramid extension, which cost of course €30 as well, so it's not the cheapest, but I heard the quality is okay. So I ordered pyramids. About 3 weeks later I received pyramids, and that's this thing. Well, if you look closely, It looks exactly the same as PUIG. More than that, it even has the same numbers. 073885, 073885. So it is the same product, but with the sticker from Pyramids. As you can imagine, I was really pissed off. Seriously, enough is enough. But there is a good news here. Theoretically it's the same, but I can feel that this plastic is a little bit thicker. You could probably see it here. The thickness of the plastic is different. Just look at here on the ends. It feels thicker, it feels heavier, it feels stronger. So I would say it is better than the PUIG. This is really a piece of paper. This one is not doing that. I really don't have a choice. I really would like to have this one because this one is very thick and very strong. But unfortunately, and actually it looks much better. But unfortunately it doesn't fit. For now, let's install this a little bit better pyramid. Last time I used for the extension this weird stickers to glue it to the fender, but I'm not gonna do that this time because that's not working very well. But last time I didn't have a silicone, so that's why I did it with the stickers. This time I'm gonna use silicone. It's gonna be much better. Of course, there are holes from previous extension, so I need to use them again. So I will drill a new holes in extension. This one fits a little bit better. I think I changed my mind. I will use these stickers because the thickness is not the same. If I don't use the distance, the sticker, this one is going to be much deeper. The fender will sink deeper. So I need a little bit of distance here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a few stickers just for the distance. The rest I'm gonna glue it with the silicone. That's the plan, I think. First of all, I need to degrease everything. Okay, that's enough of the stickers. Now I'm gonna drill the holes. And it's done. 20 minutes job with 3 months waiting time. Ridiculous, right? But it is done. Now I'm gonna install it back on the bike and I'm gonna leave it for a few days for the silicone to cure. And I hope I won't need to change this extender anymore. We'll see about that. Installation of the fender is pretty simple. It's just 4 bolts and 1 plastic stud, which looks like that. All what you need to do to press inside so it stick out. And in there is a hole, and you just need to insert this plastic into the hole and press this pin, and it's gonna close itself. But I'm gonna do the bolts first, and because there is a lot of vibration on the fender, I need to use Loctite for these bolts. For those who don't know what Loctite is, it's basically a glue for the bolts. And there is only one thing left to do. The exhaust needs to be in the right place. And of course, don't forget the bolt here. It's a 10mm wrench. And here we are. Job is done. New pyramid extension is in. Very simple job. It's really shame that it took me 3 months to do it. But ta-da, it's done. Now, is it gonna be better? We'll see about it. I cannot predict future. I just have to use it and we'll see if it's gonna stay nice or is it gonna break like PUIG. Anyways, if you are interested to buy one of those, my advice, buy a pyramid. It's a little bit better than PUIG. Price wise, it's no difference here. Both cost around 30 euros. Or if you find Chinese one, it will be definitely cheaper. But I didn't succeed with this. So unfortunately it cost me quite a lot of money to change this. Because twice 15 euro on AliExpress and this third year so 60 euro. So maybe I shouldn't look for cheap solution. I don't know. It looked like a good idea to me at the time. Right now, it is what it is. Anyways, that's the end of this video. If you like it, give me thumbs up and subscribe. And of course, I will see you in the next one.